Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You will need a non-stick pan or cast iron skillet. Place hash on pan and squash down evenly. Cook on about mid-high heat for about 10 minutes or so. Turn over after it cooked in light brown or too warm, which is fine.
Take our lead.
Properly stored, unopened canned corned beef will generally stay at best quality for about 3 to 5 years, although it will usually remain safe to use after that. Discard all canned corned beef from cans or packages that are leaking, rusting, bulging or severely dented.
Let's help you make your mark.
It crisps up in anything. Their important bit is to use a large pan so you can spread it thin. I cook it on high heat until it's nearly done, then crack an egg on top, drop the temp, and put a cover on. 22 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.